going to look at a few different plant types that Newcomb's also covers. The first two plants we looked at are both considered wildflowers, but Newcomb's Wildflower Guide also covers shrubs and vines. So here next to me we've got a couple examples of a couple different vines. The first one here is bittersweet nightshade. So as you can see, it still does have flowers on it, which is why it's included in the guide. To tell vines apart from other wildflowers, you'll notice that they tend to be very long and slender and tend to dangle. They also will climb up things. So you can see here that the bittersweet nightshade has wrapped itself around this post. Another big vine is Virginia creeper, which is seen growing up this entire pillar. Usually anything climbing or crawling along the ground and with these thin tendrils is usually a good indication of a vine.